Hi everyone, this is Beth, and I have created this gazebo cut out with the Cricut, and just want to show you a few tricks from how to go to this to this. Okay, the first thing you do is adhere this piece right here. I added these little strips of about 1/8 of an inch thick because I couldn't figure out why this was the way it is. So what I did is put a little 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch strip here, and I put another one on top of this piece. The trick here is, in order to get pictures inside of this thing later on, you're going to have to leave the piece attached only at the top so that pictures can be put in later, unless you have them all ready to go. So this goes kind of in the middle, and 2 of your fences will go on either side of it. Now if you look, you can see that there is an overlap of fences. So I had the brilliant idea of cutting these pieces off. I cut them off so that this goes straight down. And these 2 pieces are going to be used for the sides of this, and it will look like they kind of connect all the way across. All the fence posts are 1.5 inches from the bottom. So I just put my T-ruler here at the 1.5 inch, and I'm going to attach that one first, about 1/4 of an inch on each side, I figured out, and then attach this one, and then I can place this one in the middle. But remember, I'm only gluing down the top. It's about 1 inch from the bottom, and these posts are again about 1.5 inches. They are 1.5 inches from the bottom. So 1 inch here and 1.5 inches here, and then they look like they are one fence going across the middle. Wouldn't that be handy? Okay, that one's down and ready to have a picture put underneath there. Okay, this one's a little harder because I have to be able to get this in the middle, and I really kind of worked at that. Now I taped the top of it. I want to leave these holes up here free from tape because I want to be able to lift it all the way up in case your picture's going to go up there, which mine did. So now I'm coming down to match up the center with the center. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, now this goes at the 1.5 mark. Now there's kind of another story behind how I figured out what size picture goes here, what size picture goes beside here. Those are 3x4s, and I think this is a 3x3. No, it's a 3x4, but it could be a 3x3. I remember now. And then this side, I actually had it kind of use these patterns that came out of it here. 5x7 picture can go right in here if it goes right to the top there. That's perfect.